Okay, hi and welcome to Ashford Castle, which dates from 1228. It's on the west coast. We're in the west of Ireland on the coast of Lough Corrib, which is the largest lake in the Republic of Ireland. And I'm going to give you a quick tour of my stateroom, suite style accommodation, one of the nicest rooms in the property, room 329. Okay, so we've just gone in straight into the bathroom. Here is the tub, quite fancy, very fancy chandelier, really nice. There's your fireplace, TV above it. And here is a little bit of a view of the 350-acre estate. There I am going in through here to the toilet and the standalone shower. And you can see here the original exterior of the castle, stained glass windows. We've got underfloor heating here, keeps it nice and warm. I feel it's very cozy in the castle, even though it's obviously such an incredibly old building. Now into the main part. Here is the 4-poster bed, very grand. Every room is different in terms of its decor, color palette, and so on, but kind of consistent style-wise. There is the top, very fancy, of the 4-poster bed. Here is wardrobe. Actually, I'll give you a quick look at the minibar. So it's all Irish products except for the wine. Here is Ashford Castle's own gin, which I've yet to try. They've got their homemade chocolate. Here they've got lots of Irish juices, beers, ciders, things like that. Here is the fireplace, which cuts out automatically at 10 p.m. each night, but otherwise it's very cozy to have flickering away throughout the day. It's the main living space at 329. They bought that picture at auction from Christie's in London. It's by a French artist. Here's looking out to the estate again. Here is the desk, and then as your final insight into the room, here is the view of, if it stops being blurry, let me try again. Here is the view. Here is the view. This is the view of Lough Corrib, largest lake in the Republic of Ireland. We're right on the edge of it. There's a number of private forested islands that you can see there that the hotel owns too, and it is really lovely to look at. So there you go, room 329, estate room at Ashford Castle, fire on the go, super cozy, 13th century castle, 800 years old.